Behind every durable crate lies a precision mold. Our crate molds are crafted through hundreds of polishing processes using high-strength alloys and advanced CNC machining technology. The mirror smooth mold cavity ensures a flawless crate surface and smooth molding. The unique grid design increases the crate's load-bearing capacity by 30%, allowing repeated stacking without deformation. Please note, clean the mold cavity before each machine startup to prevent impurities from affecting the finished product. Regularly inspect the guide pins and bushings, and apply specialized lubricant to ensure precise and smooth mold opening and closing. From food-grade crates to heavy-duty industrial crates, a single mold settings sufficient for mass production. Proper maintenance extends the lifespan, helping you continuously reduce costs and improve efficiency. Choosing professional molds ensures that every crate will stand the test of time.